One day you could be very rich, the next day you have nothing. I'll just give you an example. Do you know recently what happened in Turkey? The earthquake, the devastating earthquake. There was a post that was going around, I read it. A brother has written this post who was living there. He said, I was renting a house. My landlord has increased the price. Recently, he said, I have to put up the rent. And I want you to pay that amount. The brother has said, I haven't got money. I can't pay that amount. It's too much for me. The landlord has said, I've got no choice but to evict you from the house. I have to kick you out. I've got no other option. If you can't pay, there will be people who will be paying for this. So if you can't pay, I want to ask you to leave. The brother was kicked out of the house. And he said, shortly after that, the earthquake happened. And then he said, the landlord who made me homeless, I and him right now, we are in the same tent. We're both homeless. This world, this akhwani, means nothing. Today you could be rich, you could be influential, you have everything. But tomorrow Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can take everything away from you. Okay? Do not look down upon people. Okay? Always have respect for people. Always help people. Okay? Don't think like today, look how rich I am, I've got everything, I've got influence, I'm such and such. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can take everything away from you. This is a very important lesson. That brother said, this guy, he made me homeless a few days before the earthquake. Now both of us are homeless. Allah made him homeless as well. Subhanallah. The world can change just like that.